video, we take a brief introduction of various different types of livestock present in the world. First thing, what is the livestock? Livestock are the different types of domesticated animals that are mainly maintained in the agricultural settings, like livestock farms such as cattle farm, buffalo farm, sheep, goat, pig farms, etc. for the production of various products that is useful for human beings, like for production of meat, egg, milk, fur, leather, wool, and also for the work purpose. Okay, next point is different contents of this video is breeds of livestock. We study the different breeds of livestock, their demographic distributions, then livestock census, and the statistics of various different products of the livestock. First thing, breeds of livestock. The main institution or organization which is associated with the identification and registration of breeds of livestock is National Bureau of Genetic Resources, which is situated in the Karnal, Haryana. And according to recent update, which is of 31st August 2022, the total number of livestock breeds in the India is 212. In the 212, there are 53 breeds of cattle, 20 buffalo, 37 goat, 44 for sheep, 7 horses, 9 camel, 13 pigs, 3 donkey, 3 dog, 1 yak, 19 chicken, 2 duck, and 1 is the geese. Here is the all 53 breeds of cattle, in which there are Amrit Mahal, Bachaur, Bargur, Badri, Belahi, Bhinjanpuri, Dange, Dagri, Deoni, Golao, Gangatiri, Gir, Ghumsari, Halikar, Haryana, Himachal Pehri, Kangayam, Kathni, Kankris, Kenkatha, Kherigढ़, Khillar, Kharihar, Krishna Valley, Konkan Kapila, Kosli, Ladakhi, Lakhimi, Malan Gidda, मासुलिम, मालवी, मेवाती, मोतू, नागौरी, नारी, निमारी, अंगोल, पोनवर, पोडाथोपू, पुंगानूर, पुल्लीकुलम, पूर्निया, राठी, रेड कंधारी, रेड सिंधी, साहिवाल, संचोरी, श्वेत कपिला, सीरी, थारपारकर, टूथो, अम्बलीचेरी, and Vechur. These are the names of all 53 breeds of cattle. Next is the breeds of buffaloes. There are 20 breeds of buffalo registered in NBAGR, which includes Banni, Bargur, Bhadavri, Chhattisgarhi, Chilka, Dharwadi, Gozri, Jafrabadi, Kalahandi, Luit or Swamp. It is the swamp buffalo which is especially found in the Assam around the Brahmaputra Valley region. Next, Marathawadi, Manda, Mehsana, Murra, Nagpuri, Nili Ravi, Pandharpuri, Purnathadi, Surti, and Toda. Our next breed is sheep. In total 44 breeds of sheep, which include Palangir, Belari, Bhakarwal, Bodpala, Changthangi, Chewadu, Chokla, Chota Nagpuri, Coimbatore, Dekni, Gaddi, Ganjam, Garol, Gurez, Hassan, Jaisalmeri, Jaloni, Karna, Kazli, Ketakethi Black, Kenguri, Kendrapada, Khila Karsal, Madras Red, Magra, Malpura, Mandya, Marwari, Mechari, Muzaffarnagari, Nalori, Nali, Nellore, Nilgiri, Patanwadi, Panchali, Punchi, Pugal, Ramanandwite, Rampur Buser, Sahabadi, Sonadi, Tibetan, Trichy Black, and Vembur. Next is the breeds of goat. Total 37 breeds registered in NBAGR. Includes Assam Hill, Attapedi, Barbary, Beetle, Berari, Bidri, Bhakarwal, Black Bengal, then Changthangi, Chegu. These two are the very famous for producing the Pasmina. Then Gaddi, Ganjam, Gohilwadi, Guzri, Jhakrana, Jamnapari, very famous breed of goat. कन्नी अद्दू, कामी, करौली, कच्छी, कोंकण कल्याण, कोडी अद्दू, मालावारी, मारवारी, मेहसाना. Mehsana is also a breed of goat and a breed of buffalo. नंदी दुर्ग, ओस्मानाबादी, पंतजा, रोहिलखंडी, सांगमनेरी, सालेम ब्लैक, सिरोही, सोजत, सुरती, सुमीने, टेरेसा and झालावाड़ी. Next is the breeds of pig. Total 13 breeds registered in NBSGR, includes Agonda Goan, Banda, Doom, Ghungru, Gurra, Mali, Manipuri Black, Niang Megha, Nikabari, Purnia, Teniwo, Wokchambel and Joa. Next, breeds of camel. Total 9 breeds: Bikaneri, Jaisalmeri, Jalori, Kachhi, Karahi, Mewari, Mewati, Marwari and Malvi. Next is breeds of horse and ponies and breed of donkeys. Total 7 breeds of horse and ponies: Bhutia, Kathiawadi, Kachhi or Sindhi and Marwadi, Manipuri, Spiti and Janskari. Breeds of donkey includes Spiti, Halari and Kachhi. Next is breeds of dog and York. 3 breeds of indigenous dogs are Rajpalyam, Chippy Piraya and Madhal Hound. Next is only one breed of York is Arunachali. Breeds of chicken. Total 19 breeds of indigenous chicken are registered in NBSCR, which includes Ankaleshwar, Asil, Barsa, Chittagong, Danki, Dahothir, Ghagas, Haringita Black, Kadaknath, Kalasthi, Kashmir Favola, Miri, Nikobari, Punjab Brown, Tilicheri, Mewari, Kunyan, Hansli and Uttara. Next is the breed of duck and geese. Total 2 breeds of duck are Pati and Maithili, and one breed of geese include Kashmir Ants. Our next topic is the demographic distribution of livestock. Here we see the in different demographic parts of the India, what is the dominance of various species of livestock. Then our India is broadly divided into 15 agroclimatic zones. Okay. In the 15 agroclimatic zones, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. And last is the 15 agroclimatic zones. First agroclimatic zone is Western Himalayas, which includes Jammu Kashmir and Uttarakhand. Here the cattle, buffalo, sheep, goat, all the species are found, but rare species is pig. Pigs are very rarely found in the Jammu Kashmir or Uttarakhand region. Next part is the Eastern Himalayas, which include the 7 sisters states like Assam, Sikkim and northeastern state West Bengal. Species cattle, goat and pig all are found, but buffaloes or sheep are rare in the Eastern Himalayan region. Next point is the Lower Gangetic Plain, Middle Gangetic Plain, Upper Gangetic Plain, and another is the Trans Gangetic Plain. The Lower Gangetic Plain include West Bengal, where sheep, goat, cattle, buffalo and pigs are generally found. Middle Gangetic Plain includes Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, where pig, bovine and goat are the generally present. Next, Upper Gangetic Plain, Uttar Pradesh, buffalo, pig and goat are commonly found in these areas. Next is the Trans Gangetic Plain, which includes Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan. Here the buffalo, sheep and goat are the commonly available species of livestock. Next is the Eastern Plateaus, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. Here all the breeds of livestock are available. Then Central Plateaus and Hills, which includes Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh. Here sheep, goat and buffaloes found. Western Plateaus and Hills, it includes Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Here all the breeds of livestock are present. Then Southern Hills includes Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. All the breeds of livestock are found, but sheep is dominating species. Okay. Next is East Coast Plain and West Coast Plain. Coast Plain includes Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Pondicherry. Here, buffaloes and sheep are commonly found. Next is West Coast Plain include Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Goa, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. Here, dominating species is cattle, but cattle, goat, and pigs are available. Then rare species is buffalo and sheep. Next is Gujarat Plains and Hills. It covers the Gujarat state. Here all the species of livestock are found, but pigs are rare. Then western dry areas in which the Rajasthan comes. All the species of livestock are seen. Next, Iceland, Andaman, Nicobar, and Lakshadweep. These islands regions have a very few or low livestock species. Our next part is the livestock census. The livestock census is conducted by the Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairy, and this department comes under the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy. The frequency of livestock census is held in every 5 years, and the first livestock census is held in 1919. The recent livestock census is 20th livestock census, which is held in 2019. It is the some data of recent livestock census. According to this recent livestock census, the total population of cattle in our country is 192.49 million. Buffalo population is 109.85 million. Sheep population is 74.26 million. Goat population is 148.88 million. Pig population is 9.06 million. The most distinguishing feature is the population of pig is decreased as per the last livestock census, which is held in 2012. Okay. Population of Mithun is 0.38 million. Population of yak is 0.06 million. In the cattle population, the leading state is West Bengal in case of buffalo. The leading state is Uttar Pradesh. In sheep, the leading state is Telangana. In case of goat, leading state is Rajasthan. In pig, Assam. In case of Mithun, Arunachal Pradesh. In yak, Jammu and Kashmir. Rank of India in world: in cattle population, second rank; in buffaloes population, it is first rank; in sheep, third; and in case of goat, it second rank. Next is population of horse and ponies. It is 0.34 million. Mule 0.08 million. Donkey 0.12 million. Camel is 0.25 million. So all these species, horse, mule, donkey, and camel population is decreased as per the previous or last livestock census 2012. Leading state of horse population is Uttar Pradesh. In case of mule, Uttarakhand; donkey in Rajasthan; and camel, Rajasthan. Total livestock population in the 20th livestock census is 535.78 million. Okay, which show a growth of 4.63%. And total poultry population is 851.8 million, which shows a high increase in their growth, which is 16.81 million. And dominating state in poultry population is Tamil Nadu. Next is the animal husbandry statistics. It is the recent data released on the 29th November 2023. Here we see the different parameters of various productive parameters of animals like milk, egg, meat, and wool. The overall production in last year, total milk production is 230.58 million ton. Total egg production is 138.38 billions number. Total meat production is 9.77 million ton, in which contribution of poultry is 4.99 million ton. Total wool production, which is 33.61 million kgs. Per capita availability, if you see, 459 grams per day per person milk, 101 egg per year per person for egg, and 6.82 kg per year per person for meat. Then recommendation of ICRs for these particular milk, egg, and meat is 280 grams per day, 182 eggs per year, and 11 kg per year. Next rank of India in the world for the production of milk, egg and meat is in the milk production. India is first rank. For the egg, it is in third rank, and for the meat production, India is in eighth rank in the world. Leading state in milk production is Uttar Pradesh. Leading state in egg production is Andhra Pradesh, and leading state in meat production is Uttar Pradesh. Further, the leading state is in wool production is Rajasthan. Next, these particular data or informations is collected from the websites of ICR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, and National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources, and Press Information Bureaus of Government of India. Further, we check our progress of on the behalf of this particular study. Identification and registration of various breeds of livestock is carried by the main body is NBAGR. National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources is associated with identification and registration of breeds of livestock. Next is total number of indigenous breeds of livestock in country. Indigenous breed total number of livestock breeds is 212. Total number of livestock breed is 212. Next question is total number of breeds of buffalo. Buffalo breeds is 20. Total number of breeds of buffalo registered in NBAGR is 20. 53 is the cattle, 13 is the pig, and 7 is horses. Next is total number of breeds of pig. Total number of breeds of pig is 13. Okay, total number of breeds of pig is 13. Next, total number of indigenous breeds of cattle. It includes 53. Total number of indigenous breeds of cattle registered in NBAGR is 53. Total number of indigenous breeds of chicken. Chicken is 19. Indigenous breeds of chicken registered in NBAGR is 19. Total number of indigenous breed of dog, donkey and yak. So as we see, there are 3 breeds of indigenous dog, 3 breeds of indigenous donkey, and 1 is yak. Then correct answer is 331. Total number of indigenous breeds of camel. Then 9 breeds of camel are registered in NBAGR. Next question is total number of indigenous breeds of horse. There are 7 breeds of horses registered in NBAGR. Next, which one of the following is the breed of cattle? Amrit Mahal, Congress, Pulikulam, Kangayam, Gir, Sahiwal, Red Sindhi, Thar Parkar, Haryana, Vechur, Halikar, Amblicheri. These all are belongs to the cattle breed. Next is which one of the following is a breed of camel? Bikaneri. Yes, Bikaneri is the breed of camel. Janskari is a breed of horse. Nikobari. Nikobari is a breed of pig and also it is a breed of chicken. Spiti is a breed of horse. So the correct answer is Bikaneri. Next is which one is the breed of horse? Bhutia, Spiti, Kathiawadi. All 3 are the breed of horse. Okay, then correct answer is all. Which one is the breed of sheep? Chokla, Nali, Chota Nagpuri, Balangir, Ganjam, Kendrapada. They all are the breed of sheep. So correct answer is all. Which one is the breed of buffalo? Banni, Bhadawi, Surti, Dharwadi, Jafrawadi, Nili Ravi, Mehsana, Murra, Nagpuri. They all are the breed of buffalo. So correct answer is all. Which one is the breed of goat? Barbary, Black Bengal, Jhakrana, Jamnapari, Mehsana, Osmanabadi, Sirohi, Sozat, Jhalawadi. They all are the breeds of goat. Next question is which one is the breed of pig? Ghungru, Purnia, Mali, Nikobari, Jowag, Gurra, Banda, Doom, Tenivo. They all are the breeds of goat. Which one is the breed of chicken? Kadaknath is a breed of chicken, Uttara is a breed of chicken, and Asil is a breed of chicken. So correct answer is all. The geographical area of India divided into agroclimatic region. The geographical area is divided into 15 agroclimatic regions. Livestock census conducted लाइव स्टॉक सेंसस की पीरियोडिसिटी की होती है इन एवरी 5 years. नेक्स्ट, द फर्स्ट लाइव स्टॉक सेंसस इज कंडक्टेड इन फर्स्ट लाइव स्टॉक सेंसस हेल्ड इन 1919. नेक्स्ट, अकॉर्डिंग टू 20th लाइव स्टॉक सेंसस, टोटल लाइव स्टॉक पॉपुलेशन इज 535.78 million. Total livestock population is 535.78 million. Next is total poultry population according to 20th livestock census is 851.81 million. Total poultry population is 851.81 million. Next, total population of cattle, buffalo, sheep and goat, okay, according to 20th livestock census. Then correct answer is 192 is the population of cattle, 109 is the population of buffalo, 74.26 is the population of sheep, and 148.88 million is the population of goat. So the correct answer is 2. According to recent animal husbandry statistics, annual milk production of India, annual milk production is 230.58 million tons. Next question, according to recent animal husbandry statistics, annual meat production is 9.77 million ton, in which the contribution of poultry is approximate 4.9. Okay, thank you.